Welcome to the Spend Wise Moms. In this video, we will show you how to make rice that tastes like Cafe Rio, or even better. I found a basic recipe and tweaked it to taste so good. It really turned out well. There are 8 ingredients: rice, butter, chicken broth, fresh garlic, cilantro, onion, green chilies, and salt. Take your 1 cup of cilantro, 1/3 cup of chopped onion, 3 cloves of peeled garlic, and a can of green chilies that have been drained, and put them into a food processor or blender. I tried a blender this time for the video, but I would suggest using a food processor. Blend it until it's smooth. Next, get out a 2-quart saucepan or one of similar size. Turn the stove onto a medium heat and melt 2 tablespoons of butter. Add your 1 cup of rice, 2 cups of chicken broth, 1/4 teaspoon of salt, and the cilantro mixture into the pan. Bring this to a boil, stirring occasionally. Cover it and turn the burner down to a low heat and cook until the rice is done, anywhere from 12 to 24 minutes depending on your rice. My rice took between 16 to 18 minutes. That's it. Use the rice in a salad, burrito, or as a side dish. It tastes fantastic. Hope you enjoy the following bloopers, and thanks for watching the Spend Wise Moms channel. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up and please subscribe so we can make more videos just like this.
Okay, I'm recording.
If I can get butter open. There we go. I don't know if this is going to work in this. I have no idea.
You want to get the lid?
Oh. I think that one. Where is it? Oh, there it is. That's why there's 2 of us. I'm kind of messed up on the side there. Let me just wipe it off and I'll stir it again. Blend them until they are all blended.